Kumusta mga kapodi? Ito naman po si MJ Sarah nagsabing Food is Life. And today's episode po, magluluto po tayo ng ginataang sitaw at tuyo. Ito yung ating kawali. Maglagay lang tayo ng oil para prituin natin yung tuyo natin. Then after natin ma-prito yung tuyo, tatanggalan natin ng kaliskis at yung init. Sangkap sa pagluto ng ginataang sitaw at tuyo. Tara na't magluto mga kapodi. Ito yung kawali natin. 1 tablespoon of oil. Isa lang natin yung ating bawang at yung shallots. Lutuin lang natin until yung shallots natin maging translucent in color. Then ilagay natin yung ating sitaw o long beans. Igisa lang natin around 1 minute. Ilagay lang natin yung ating gata. 1/4 cup of water. Sahutin natin yung ating cook na tuyo. Takpan natin siya. Then after a few minutes, season natin ng ground black pepper. Yung chili, then try to taste. Pati yung ating sitaw, check natin kung soft na siya. Then maglagay tayo ng sugar to balance the taste. Lastly, maglagay tayo ng chicken bacon, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, then 1 tablespoon of butter. Then mix lang natin siya. Then lagyan natin yung ating sauce. Then sprinkle natin ng spring onion. MJ Saraon version of ginataang sitaw at tuyo. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, comment for any suggestions, subscribe today, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos to come. Thank you for watching. God bless. See you for my another videos to come. Thank you.